This is A.E. Chandler behind the scenes with the Glenbow Museum's military collection. Today we're taking a look at one of my favorite objects. This is our 1945.8A. He's a German closed helmet with a bellows visor from the first half of the 16th century, probably made in Nuremberg. And the interesting thing about him is actually the damage. So he doesn't have any of the wear that you'd expect to see on the comb from the visor being raised, and he doesn't have rubbing around the holes for the plume holder. So this suggests that he was a fairly new helmet when he was retired from use. And the reason that he was retired was probably due to combat damage. You can see the first blow fell here, knocking him forward, exposing the back left side of his neck, where there is a second blow administered that was just catastrophic. So my theory is that it was a flanged mace that did this damage, and from the repairs you can see that they're just cosmetic so that the helmet could be displayed from the front. The helmet is no longer battle ready. So my theory is that the person who last wore this helmet actually died while wearing it, and from the damage to the front, possibly also fell off his horse and was maybe even trampled a little bit. But the people who cared about him preserved the helmet, repaired it, and possibly even displayed it in the memory of his life. So that's one reason why it's important to preserve and care for objects like this, is because they are part of people's lives and they preserve their stories and tell us things about one another. If you're interested in more original history stories, you can check out the other videos on this channel or the book, The Scarlet Forest, A Tale of Robin Hood. Thanks for watching.